this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an email address on your Facebook account. So whether you already have an email or you're using a phone number and you'd like to change or to add an email as part of your contacts, it's much easier to do on your Facebook account. Just go over here and tap your profile picture to open the menu. And then under this menu, tap on settings gear here. Now go ahead and tap on Meta Account Center. And then go down under account settings and choose your information and permissions, which is this, the second option. If you tap on it, you can see you have your contact information here and mine is currently displayed. So to add an email here, go ahead and tap on contact info. And now you can see my email here. To add another email, just go ahead and tap on add new contact. And then choose whether you want to add a phone number or an email. For my case, I want to add an email. Proceed and then enter the email address. So go ahead and enter your email and then tap on next. And then now the new email will receive a confirmation code. Go ahead and also enter it. So I'll go ahead and enter my code and then tap on next. And now look at that, you have added your email to the account selected. I just go ahead and tap on close. And now look at the contact information. I currently now have 2 emails up from the one I was using. So that's how you add multiple emails on your Facebook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.